Getting ready for your US citizenship interview? Here's a wake-up call. At a naturalization interview in New Jersey, USCIS flagged a Dominican national with an active warrant for unpaid child support. He was arrested during the interview. If you're Indian or planning to apply, this isn't just a headline. It could be your reality too. What USCIS means by good moral character. To become a US citizenship via naturalization, one of the core requirements is showing good moral character. GMC. USCIS looks at your behavior during the last 5 years before applying. And until you take the oath of allegiance, some past conduct beyond 5 years can also matter. Things that USCIS reviews include criminal history, honesty, paying taxes, supporting dependents, obeying laws, and family financial obligations like child support. Unpaid child support and citizenship. Failing to pay child support, especially when there's a court order, can lead USCIS to find that you lack good moral character. On the naturalization form N400, you'll be asked if you fail to support dependents or pay child or spousal support. If yes, USCIS will expect proof of payments or evidence of hardship if you couldn't pay. Supporting children or dependents abroad can also come under review. The obligation doesn't always appear just because you moved overseas. Why this hit matters for Indians. For Indian immigrants, this issue is especially important. Many Indians have children or family commitments back in India. Financial obligations like child support may be in multiple jurisdictions and may not always be documented or tracked closely. If there's a court order in India and payments are delayed or not made, USCIS may still view that negatively, especially if there is an outstanding warrant. Legal, financial, or language barriers sometimes mean people aren't aware of exactly what's required. That makes the risk higher. What you should do to safeguard your citizenship application. Check all your financial obligations carefully. Do you have any court orders or child support obligations? If yes, gather proof of payments, bank statements, receipts, court paperwork. If you miss payments, try to catch up or show why you couldn't pay. Illness, loss of income, etc. Consult a legal expert before filing the N400 if you're unsure about anything. Consult an immigration attorney before your naturalization interview if you're unsure about your moral character status. US citizenship is a privilege, and USCIS expects applicants to meet the moral and legal standard, not just paperwork. Comment below. Clean record, clear path if you've reviewed your obligations. Like if this helped you understand the risks, and subscribe now for more updates on what Indian applicants must know for naturalization.